Hey guys, welcome back to the More Medic One. Today I'm going to be doing a little review on Metal Rescue Rust Removing Bath. The great people at Workshop Hero, they kind of reached out to me about a month ago, and they wanted to send me some product, and in return for the product that I would do a video. So I agreed, and what we're going to do here, I've got some items that need to be derusted, and if anybody's ever owned any of these 1/4-inch bits, you know that if you just handle them with your hands, they're going to rust. I got me an old railroad spike, and here's my 2-jawed snap-on puller that the threads need to be cleaned. I got a snap-on wire stripper that got left in the back of my truck and it got rained on. So I'll just kind of, everybody knows what that is. If you don't, then here's a brake rotor off of a Chevrolet Blazer. Some little odds and ends stuff. Here's a little punch. This kind of hacked me off a little bit. I let a friend of mine borrow my 12-point Allens to work on a Volkswagen, and they got left out in the rain. And but you know what? Metal Rescue to the rescue. We're gonna get these parts soaked and get you one last look here before everything gets de-rusted. Now, this rotor, I actually I dropped it on the ground 2 or 3 times just to get the excess rust off of it. It's pitted pretty dadgum bad. This is what I actually had to dig it out of the ground because I use it underneath of my little wood burning heater thing out back, and it was nasty and it's pitted, and I don't care if you soak this thing in muriatic acid, you're not going to get all the rust off of it, I can guarantee you. But maybe Metal Rescue will make a believer out of me for sure. So let's go ahead and get this going. It comes in this 14-ounce package, which you mix it with a gallon of water, and it comes in a gallon container that's already ready to go. And I'm sure it comes in larger sizes, 3.5 or maybe 5 gallons. So let's do a time lapse. I'm going to get this stuff soaking, and I'm just going to let the camera run, and so you can watch. You will see how it turns out. This is going to be awesome. Round 1, we're going to do these items here. And so let's go ahead and get this tub filled with the bath. Instructions say to use it at room temperature, pretty much like 68 degrees and above. Hours later, and as you can tell, that railroad spike is all the way down to bare metal. Awesome. My set of tools that got left out, 1000% rust free. And I thought my pair of snap-on side cutters were toast. Awesome. Brand new. Let's get this stuff rinsed off in the sink over here, and we'll check this rotor. I'm dying to see what this thing looks like.
What you doing, Daddy?
Oh, I'm using this stuff called Metal Rescue to de-rust a lot of my tools. Let's check this rotor out.
It smells like cat food. Ugh.
Do what?
That smells like cat food. What did you put inside of it?
I don't know, but look at that. That is...
Clean as a cat food.
Oh, man. Look at that.
You rusted it?
No, that's down to bare metal. It's severely pitted, but the rust is gone. I bet you if I could leave this in here for a longer period of time, I guarantee you it would come squeaky clean.
Cool.
I've got everything out of the bath, and as you can tell, this stuff is pretty nasty, but you can strain this through like cheesecloth or run it through a filter, and it should come pretty clean because all the suspended rust particles should come out. What you can also do, I know it's stained, but this stuff you can reuse over and over and over and over. Kind of do a comparison here. As you can tell, it stripped all the rust, and this was a chrome, not a chrome socket, but a black impact socket, and it stripped all that off too. This was a black crowfoot seal puller, and it stripped it all the way down to bare metal, buddy. I'm gonna have to be sure I oil that to keep it from rusting. But this is the biggest surprise. Like I said, man, this thing's been buried in my backyard for over a couple of years, and it's severely pitted, but it took it down to bare metal. I am a firm believer in Metal Rescue. Man, does this stuff work. Next round, we're going to be de-rusting this stuff here. Got a flywheel and a pair of strippers, some odds and end 1/4-inch bits, and I'm going to put this, but this time I'm going to put it in my ultrasonic cleaning machine, and we'll see if we can get it cleaner faster. This won't fit. I'm just going to have to put this in the bath. Got these few items here in my ultrasonic cleaner. Let you get a good look at the rust. We'll see how it turns out. Man, this sucks you won't be able to see what's going on here. I wish this fluid was clearer. We're gonna let this cook. We'll put the heat on. I'm gonna run it through a couple of cycles, and then we'll see how it turns out. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Holy moly. Oh, you kidding me? Made a mess. Steamy. Holy crap. That worked great. I am impressed. Let's see what else we got in here. Gone, rust free. Oh wow, look at that. Once I get it rinsed off, it's gonna look brand new. Probably could go through it another sitting, but that is awesome. Wow. And it was only in there for 480 seconds. Impressive. It's gonna be hard to grab the rest of those out of there. Once you've washed your parts real good and you got them dry, you're going to want to prevent rust, and what you use is this stuff called Dry Coat, made by the same company that makes Metal Rescue. Just spray it on. And it says to just coat liberally. And it just says to let it dry for about 30 minutes. What I'm going to do is I'll turn my tools over and get the other sides of them. But I am thoroughly impressed. This stuff works, buddy. If you have any questions about Metal Rescue, let me know. More Medic 1. Have a great day.